Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Butte, Plumas, and Tehama. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Plumas County in Northern California, Northeastern Tehama County in Northern California, Northern Butte County in Northern California, until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Lake Almanor West, or 10 miles southwest of Chester, moving northwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mineral, Mill Creek, and Butte Meadows. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte,